Hey, AP Aero family. I just wanted to remind you all of what we're doing this week, even though you probably have a good idea because we've talked about it a couple of times. But you're going to go to classwork and you're going to find postings of reminders for outlines that you are doing. So on the 5th and 9th for cohort 1, because we do not meet in class on Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. You'll find assignments for, and again on the 5th, which is Monday, and the 8th for cohort 2. You are all just proceeding with your student digital packet. If you need help finding that digital packet, the digital packet for cohort 1 is, I believe, on the 25th. Yes, it is. It was posted on the 25th. That's the digital packet. And if you need the digital packet, it was posted for cohort 2 on the 24th. So if you can't find it, let me know. Otherwise, I hope you all have a fantastic week and that we are getting more comfortable with European history. Have a good one.